In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's Magic Write feature to effortlessly generate your social media posts. Whether you're a digital marketing whiz or just someone looking to streamline your content creation process, Canva's Magic Write tool might just become your new best friend. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll obviously need to open Canva. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. Canva is a fantastic platform, widely known for its ease of use and versatility in creating visually stunning designs. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, there's a vertical menu. This is your control panel and holds all the tools and features you'll need. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Docs. This section is designed to help you with text elements, whether you're working on a social media post or another project requiring a touch of written creativity. Click on Docs to enter the text editing section of Canva. Once you've entered the Docs section, look for a plus icon. This little symbol is your gateway to a plethora of creative options within Canva. By clicking on it, you unlock additional features that will assist you in crafting your social media content. After you click the plus icon, you'll see an option called Magic Write. This is the star of today's video and an amazing tool Canva offers. Magic Write acts as your personal copywriter, sitting right inside Canva and ready to help you brainstorm, draft, and refine text in a matter of minutes. Select Magic. Write to proceed to the next step. Now comes the fun part, writing your prompts. Think of these prompts as cues or starting points that you give to Magic Write. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better Magic Write can generate content that suits your needs. For instance, if you're crafting a post for a new product launch, be sure to input details like the product's name, features, and any key messages you want to convey. Once your prompt is ready and you've reviewed it for completeness, you'll want to click the Generate button. This action tells Canva to get to work, pulling from its vast array of language models to produce a polished, ready-to-use social media post. It's an incredible time saver, allowing you to focus more on the strategy behind your content rather than the nuts and bolts of creating it from scratch. And there you have it. That's how you can use the Magic Write feature in Canva to effortlessly create compelling social media posts. Not only does this tool save you time, but it also enhances your productivity by sparking creativity and ensuring you always have fresh content ideas at your fingertips. Give it a try today and watch how it transforms your social media game. Thanks for watching and happy designing.